Hello everyone, my name is Marie-Noelle Metseye with MN Homes, and I'm very excited to present my newest listings in Meadowdale, Lynnwood. This 4-bedroom split-level nests on a spacious lot. Some of its most fetching features are large bay windows and skylights that open for natural light. And trust me, you need that light, especially during those cloudy days. Oak floors upstairs and a bonus room that can be an office, a workout room, or even a 5th bedroom. It has easy access to Interstate 5 and 405, and it's only minutes away from Meadowdale schools, Playfields. You can literally walk to those places. But that's not all. Come inside and let me show you some of the surprises that wait behind the door. Let's go and take a look. To schedule a showing, please give me a call and I see you soon.